Yeah guys, this YouTube channel made me $40,000. I don't know, maybe it's a lot, maybe it's not, because it's for almost a billion views. Almost a billion views. Maybe it's a lot, maybe it's not, because it's about the lifetime of this YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel make around $2,000, $3,000 per month. I repeat, maybe it's much, maybe it's not. But that's not idea. This is possible. $2,000 per month is possible. And imagine if you have like 10 YouTube channels. Imagine you can make $20,000 per month. It's not hard. This is just with YouTube Shorts. Just with YouTube Shorts. 40,000 with YouTube Shorts. Just imagine. Okay guys, what's the point of this video? Well, I'm 25 years old. I earn around 6 figures per year here on YouTube. I do YouTube automation for almost a decade, like 8 years of YouTube automation. And yeah, it's possible. This is like a motivational video, a cliche, if you want to say like that. I just want to show you it's possible. It's possible to earn $2,000 per month on YouTube. Maybe it's not a lot for you. Maybe $2,000, like maybe you are from USA or you are from London. I don't know. 2,000 is nothing today. It's nothing. But maybe you are from, like, I'm from an Eastern European country. Here life is hard. Maybe you are from India. Maybe you are from Pakistan. Maybe you are from Uzbekistan. I don't know. And maybe $2,000 from passive income maybe can change your life in your country. Maybe this will be a game change for you. And of course, like imagine the point it's not to earn $2,000 per month. The point is you can just do 30-second videos, YouTube Shorts, and yeah, basically earn $2,000 per month. And imagine if you have like 10 YouTube channels, like for myself. I have over 10 YouTube channels. I have a team, like, of course, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of thinking. But yeah, I just want to prove it. I just want to prove it's possible, okay? Look at my plates. I have the plates there, like silver buttons are there. 3 of them. I have one here in front of me, and yeah, one in the back. Like I have around 6 silver buttons, so 6 of my YouTube channels are over 100,000 subscribers. And this is crazy. Like I want to keep pushing. I want to keep pushing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will give you free game. So just subscribe and you will see a lot of things here. Come on, bro. YouTube automation is not hard. It's easy. It's so easy. You need just to be consistent, find a good niche, and of course, just post. Don't give up. Just don't give up, please. Don't give up. Don't give up. Giving up is the worst thing you can do with your business. Don't give up. Focus and go hard with YouTube automation.